Yeah.
Yeah, you can hold on to. Yeah.
Oops.
Oops. You lose your balance again. Hey. You're not even trying to sit. There you go.
How does it feel to be a superstar? You got a lot of cameras on you.
I know. Can we add any more cameras?
Which one are you going to reach for? Hello?
Okay, we're getting her way too excited. It's getting way too excited. Oh, God. What is it with you? You get so excited you lose your balance. She doesn't even want to sit. You want to wave to everyone?
Oops.
Oops.